Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable character count in messages on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on settings. In settings, go down and we're going to tap on messages. Then go down and tap on character count in the SMS or MMS section. Okay, so it is now turned on. So if I go and open up my text messaging app and start a new message. Now, if you start typing, it will not show the character count. You need to put in a contact. Okay, so I'm just going to choose a random contact here. And we can start to type. And as soon as you hit the enter key, there is a character count on up here, right next to the up arrow. And you can see the maximum standard text message character count is 160 characters. Anything above that will extend to a second text message. So if you have to pay for a text message, then once you go over the 160 characters, you will be effectively paying for the first text message as well as a second text message and so forth. So if you keep going, you may have to go into third text message and fourth and fifth and so on. And that's it. So if I switch it off now, then you can see that character count is now gone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.